Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today we're taking a look at the two first Shadow High dolls I got. I already got them quite a while back, and I've already posted some pictures of the dolls on my Instagram, so if you want to see the dolls I get before I manage to show them on here, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, at TheDollBoy. But since I'm finally catching up on my doll videos, I also wanted to give you a look at these two dolls. Shanelle and Heather were my first ones, and they did not have the variant dress that I would have preferred. These boxes, similar to the Rainbow High dolls, have their names written on the box, and it also mentions that it is Series 1. And the dolls are called Shanelle Onyx and Heather Grayson. On the top it says "Let your true color shine," and it redirects you to YouTube, where we have seen the Shadow High girls now in a lot of Rainbow High webisodes. What I think is a very cool detail about these dolls is that the boxes are mirrored comparing to the Rainbow High boxes as to where you can find the doll and the second outfits. Also, the Rainbow High has a lot of golden details, where Shadow High uses more of those silver tones. These small differences keep the lines very cohesive, but still give you a really interesting look if you're an inbox collector. The design is also very similar, with that curved side and full artwork on the back, as well as some explanation, saying that Rainbow High has officially met its match. Expect the unexpected from the fine art students of Shadow High. And I really love how the image on the back has that subtle glitching, referring to the webisodes of Rainbow High. The two dolls have the exact same back of the box, and on the side it tells you their focuses, which for Shanelle is couture fashion design, and Heather is into special effects makeup. On the Shadow High boxes, you also find a QR code that you can scan, and it'll lead you to the Shadow High website, where you can find full artworks for the characters and read more background information about them. To unbox these dolls, I use the exact same technique like I always do with my Rainbow High boxes, cutting away the tape from the top, bottom and side, so you can open up the back of the box. Here you will find a black doll stand for Shanelle that has a slightly different base than the Rainbow High ones, with an RH emblem in the middle and studs all the way around it. You can also take out the outfit boxes the exact same way as you would with your Rainbow High dolls, and the doll itself also comes in that separate section. For Heather, I did the exact same thing, cutting the tape and opening the back of the box to find her doll stand, which is a white color with glitter in it. Then you can take out the second outfit and doll the same way again. To unbox these dolls, I cut away the tags for both of them very carefully to take them off that cardboard backing. Seeing Shanelle out of box for the first time really left me speechless, because I think she is such a striking doll with so much styling potential. After unboxing Heather, I noticed that her jacket is attached to the arm in the box. So to get her on the doll stand, I take off the rubber band from the arms, as well as those front strands that are also held in place with that same rubber band. Underneath that jacket, she's wearing this strapless snakeskin dress with some zipper details. And as I said, there also is another version that has a lot more zippers and pockets that I think looks just a little better. I'm honestly really impressed with the hairstyle on this doll, with those two little side braids that are accessorized with some tiny rings. And in the back of the ponytails, there are some more rings with hair extensions attached to them. And the only gel part are those two front pieces. Heather is also wearing this choker necklace that really reminds me of the Shadow High doll stands, because that also has those studded details. Then these silver bamboo earrings do remind me of Kaya's earrings a little, except that these are round and say shadow. The makeup she's wearing is also very cool, with dark gray glitter eyebrows, white eyeshadow under her eyes to make them look even bigger, and black glitter lipstick. These two front pieces are heavily gelled, but the rest of the hair is completely free of product, which is amazing. The dress she's wearing is this grayscale, strapless snakeskin dress that has an asymmetrical cut and those zipper details. Then for her boots, she's got these white boots with black heels that has a silver painted snake wrapped around it. I actually only realized the connection between that snake heel and the snakeskin dress while editing, and I absolutely love how that subtly ties in that entire outfit. She was initially also wearing that white jacket. That is that really classic Rainbow High biker jacket that we've seen several versions of already, this time in white. I do really admire all the detail they put in this one, with Shadow High on both sleeves, as well as some bones, and that continues in the back with a full spine painted on in black. On the sides there's also this lace detail, which makes it a really interesting looking piece. And in the front, you've got these zipper details. I don't think I love this jacket combined with this dress though, but with another outfit or on another doll, I definitely think it's a very nice piece. One thing I forgot to show you sooner is their incredible nails, that are much longer than the regular Rainbow High dolls, and their nails look more like the OMG dolls. In those newer releases like the Shadow High Twins and the Royal 3 dolls, we have already seen that even longer nails exists, but when I first got these dolls, this was still pretty unique. I especially love that metallic silver nail polish on Shanelle's nails, making those really stand out. Another thing I didn't notice is that Heather has a ring sculpted on her thumb, which is also painted in metallic silver. For Shanelle, I think she looks really striking, with her really dark skin, baby hairs that are made of these very satisfying swoop and match the hair color, with the main color being black, and that one white chunk in the front. And I absolutely love the contrast of that white graphic liner, as well as the silver glitter in the inner corners of the eye. For her lips, I feel like they're a very, very dark purple color that's really close to black. Her earrings are these gray teardrop gem shapes that are semi-transparent and look pretty decent. And for her dress, it's this simple black top with clear straps, with a black belt that says SH, and the skirt part really reminds me of the underlayer of Jet Dawson's dress. On one hand, Shanelle is wearing this little silver bracelet, and for her shoes, she's wearing these really cute heels with that furry strap and black plastic bow, and underneath that, she's wearing some black lace socks. While restyling Shanelle's hair, I did also want to give a close-up of that white stripe. That is actually made out of white hair in the middle, with light gray hair right next to it, following by a medium gray, which I think is pretty interesting, since on most of the pictures I've seen, this strand looks like pure white. To wash the hair, I dressed both dolls in an outfit I don't mind getting wet. And then I took down Shanelle's hair completely. And for Heather, I just took down the white side and tied the front of the black side away with the rest of the black hair. And I also took out the extension pieces. Shanelle honestly barely had any product in her hair, so for her, I just gave her a quick rinse. This made the hair look very nice already, except for that partline that she unfortunately does not have. I will be adding that in this video too, so make sure to stick around for her full makeover. Then for Heather, I start dunking the white side of the hair in the water, really gently massaging that white strand to loosen up the gel in that. When the front starts feeling soft enough, I go in with my comb and comb out that entire section. As you can see, this side is not purely white, but there are some silver lowlights in that too. After brushing it all out, I rinse the hair once again to get all that leftover gel out completely. And then I simply repeat the same steps for the black side. To restyle Heather, I actually added some braids in the front and did 2 half ponytails with all of the hair accessories added down on those 2 front braids. As you can see, she is still wearing Jade's t-shirts, which is why I felt like this was a great time to look at the other outfits these dolls come with. First up, I'm gonna take a look at Shanelle's second outfit, which I'm honestly not the biggest fan of. This leather jacket was actually a little cuter than I was expecting, but I'm simply not loving those ruffled sleeves. For the top, she also comes with this leathery top with some silver and white gems. I feel like that leather top really has that badass vibe, contrasting a lot with that more classy black and silver skirt that I honestly wish would have matched the vibe a bit better, because I do like both pieces separate, but for me it's just not one full outfit. I think the pieces would look much cuter with a white jacket, or maybe even paired with jeans. However, I could definitely see the jacket match with the first dress Shanelle was wearing. For the shoes, she comes with some really simple heels with a gem in the front. Heather, on the other hand, comes with these pumps in grayscale snake print, black heels and black straps around the ankle, making them match perfectly with her dress. That second outfit also ties in so well with the snake print, with that sheer top and leather pants, and it has a black leather corset to match that also has a lot of nice details. So overall, Heather definitely wins the outfit game for me. Now to fix Shanelle's hair, I prepared some hair to finally give her a part line. I already sectioned out where I want the part line to go, and now I dip the head in boiling water, so I can take the head off the body. Then I'm simply gonna reroot a part line in her hair, the same way I've done in several other Rainbow High videos, that I'll link for you in the iCards. As you can see, I'm adding some very light silver hair to the front, which is the color Smoke from the DollPlanetHair in the DG HQ Nylon hair. I'm only adding a couple of these white strands, and then I finished the rest of the part line with black hair. I actually really love using the DG HQ Nylon hair, since it's the same texture MGA uses on their dolls. So this hair will blend in perfectly, and it'll also react to heat and curling the same way as the original hair does, making it pretty undetectable which hair you added and which hair was already there. I also add some Fabri-Tac glue to the inside of the head to make sure the partline I created will stay nice and secure. I spread the glue out with a Q-tip to make sure it's evenly distributed all around the head. While the glue dried, I already put in some curlers in the hair and dressed the body in an outfit that I liked a little more for Shanelle, which consists of Cheryl's top, Emmy's skirt, Robin's white socks, and her own black shoes. And then it was time to finally put the doll back together and remove the curlers to reveal the final look for now. I really hope you liked this video and the makeover I gave Shanelle and Heather. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do have some more older Rainbow High doll reviews, so please let me know in the comments down below which one you want me to edit first. And to see more of my doll pictures in the meantime, make sure to follow me on Instagram too, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!